This Remax House Values property video is presented by Kathleen Corder. Distinctive details, high-end amenities offered in the Bertrand model that encompasses an open-flowing floor plan, custom gas fireplace, crown moldings, wood flooring, private, ensuite. Deeded dock. Sophisticated living room open to dining and kitchen west/views to gas fireplace and entry to upper deck. Gourmet kit, custom cherry cabinets, pull-out drawers, stainless appliances and gas cooking. Spacious master suite, 2 walk-in closets, spa bath. Guest bedrooms, wood floors, DBL closets and full bath. Upgraded lower level offers finished walkout ensuite complete with foyer, privacy door, double closets, open floor plan, full tiled bath and private deck. Turnkey property is just a stroll to the lakefront front dock. Clubhouse with pool, fitness center, full kitchen and leisure room. Enjoy pickle/tennis on private court. 1 hour to NYC. For more information, review the details below or contact Kathleen Corder at 973-770-7777.